Hey guys, a warm welcome to Impresso, and in today's video we're gonna be doing nothing less than what I got from Nykaa, how I get my hair spa done, and also I'm gonna share one of my recipes with which I maintain my diet, that is including quinoa salad. So without any further ado, let's just dive right into this video. First of all, starting up with what I got from Nykaa, aka Nykaa haul, which includes couple of things, not couple of things, a plenty full of things. Have a look on this box. Yeah, so one by one I'm gonna show you what I ordered and how was my experience with it. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just start it with the first thing. First, I've got this vitamin C serum from Minimalist. It contains 10% vitamin C serum. The cost will be mentioned over the screen. I personally love this product. This has provided me blemishes free, acne free skin. It just helps you to get rid of dark spots and blemishes, acne marks as well. So yeah, it worked pretty well on my skin. You can use at the daytime as well as at the night time. 2 to 3 drops or 3 to 4 drops as per your facial requirement are enough. Not more than 4 drops it is recommended. And also guys, I would like to tell you that how I apply this product. Before applying this product, I wash my face very carefully and then pat it dry. After that, I take 2 to 3 drops, apply it over my cheek area as well as on the forehead area, sometimes over the nose area if that is sebum zone for you. So that's why I apply over the T-zone and cheek area, not around the eye area. So this is it. This is how you apply it. Top it up with the moisturizer, and for moisturizer I am having the moisturizer which I personally love is the Pond's Super Light Non-Sticky Fresh Gel. This one costs for rupees 200. As the name suggests, it is non-sticky and it's having gel sort of consistency. Let me show you. I have used it couple of times, not couple of times, I have emptied this one. So as you can see, this is like the consistency looks like. Sunlight aa rahi hai, that will be perfect in order to show you how it looks like. Have a look. This one just feels incredible, non-fragrant. The fragrance is quite pleasing, not overpowering. Now after the vitamin C serum and moisturizer, the next trending thing which comes to my hand very easily is this L'Oreal Revitalift hyaluronic acid with 1.5% of hyaluronic acid. This little bottled thing is the bottle of magic. This gonna provide you incredible hydration, guys. You mark my words. This gonna provide you incredible hydration. As you can see that within the week I have finished this bottle, because I come from very Sahara desert dry skin, and over that this product works so amazingly that I am glad to suggest you this. It is so, if you are coming from a dry skin family and love to do makeup, or even not love to do makeup but you are coming from a dry skin family, then I would suggest you to buy this product. This product works magically. So yeah, cost आपको screen पर दिख जाएगी. And you can buy it from Nykaa. All the product actually you can buy from Nykaa. Next product which comes to my hand is this Glide facial razors from the brand called sanfe, if I'm pronouncing it very right. So nothing much to tell about this thing. Everyone is quite aware of this. This is very sharp, I must say. This one is very, very sharp. It costs for rupees 233. Comes with a 3 in a pack. One currently I am using, so I have separated it from this pack. And guys, I must say they must need to reduce the sharpness of these blades, because they tend to cause cuts over the face. So I use get rid of facial hair, get rid of peach fuzz whenever my skin gets dry. So this, although it works incredibly, but there is a negative point that they need to get rid of the sharpness over this. And with that, the skincare range is over now. So now we're gonna move forward towards the makeup range. And for makeup, I have something which is, I'm gonna use the same adjective for that as well, which is, this product is incredibly magical, because this comes from the Star Company. It is their concealer shade L. This is really incredible. This little small teeny tiny box, a teeny tiny tin, contains magic of the products. It's gonna perform wonders over your skin. When you apply them, this is gonna make you feel that it has camouflaged your blemishes and dark spots instantly. For that instant effect, this product is very cheap to go for. Price will be mentioned over here over the screen, and you can't resist to buy this product. Hey, Till here, I hope that you must be enjoying my vlog, and if you do, then please leave a red heart into the comment section, or you can give me suggestion that how I can improve my videos. It would be really great. And I would say that you must be wondering that why all of a sudden I am here in a whole different attire, because I was starving, and I am showing you today quinoa salad. So I hope you will love it, and it is worth trying once. If you try now, then do tag me over the Instagram handle is popping up on the screen, and do follow me there. So now let's dive into the quinoa salad recipe. Here I am starting up with the dressing first. For that we need 3 ingredients: black pepper, olive oil and 1 big lemon. Adding all the things into the bowl and mixing it. There, your dressing is ready. Keep it aside and let's prepare our quinoa. Here I am adding 2.5 tablespoons of boiled quinoa. By the way, it is already having salt. Topping it up with the veggies. Like, here I am putting 2 capsicum, 1 medium tomato, 1 big onion and 3 medium carrots. You can add any other vegetable as per your choice. Now mix it really well for 2 to 3 minutes. Now here I have transferred the whole content into the another mixing bowl because it was getting difficult to mix in there. Now add the dressing and again mix it really well for 3 to 4 minutes. Keep it aside for 5 minutes so that the soulful taste of the dressing gets absorbed by the quinoa and the veggies. And you can have it like a bowl full of salad, or you can pair it up with other condiments like a full meal or any sort of any pulao. You can have it like that as well. You can serve it in front of guests. This is gonna take all the eyes, guys, and mind it, you're gonna love this. At least give it a shot. Moreover, it is a really good alternative and it is a really good meal in order to lose weight. In whole weight loss journey, I have consumed this salad at least twice a week. I loved it so much and I am loving it right now as well. You can see the video over there, and my whole family loves this salad. 2 things which are remaining. First one is this and the second one is this. Both are coming from the nude range of their respective brands. This one is from Huda Beauty and this one is from Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. First of all, let's talk about the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. This one is in the shade 65 Seductress. This dries up my lips very quickly and roughly, and I'm not really fond of this because I have heard too much appreciation over this product, but I am not into this product too. Although this is really good, I would rate it like 6. No, 6.5. 6.5 really would be really good. I'm going to show you swatch. It does really stay. Yeah, the matter of fact, the concern is that it stays. Yes, this really stays for a longer period of time, for more than 7 hours. And the last one is the apple of my eye, the elephant in the room, is this, the Huda Beauty Sugarboo. This is my first ever purchase from Huda Beauty brand itself. This costed me for rupees 2000. Mind you guys, 2000 for just a lipstick, quite too much of the money to be spent. This is how the body looks like, a standard Huda Beauty packaging. So, but I'm glad that I purchased this shade. I'm glad. I have posted one picture over my Instagram where I was wearing a black dress, black sequin dress. You can check it out over there. With that dress, I wore this lipstick. This lipstick picked up my whole look, just like that I have done something Hollywood inspired kind of makeup. It was that nude. But guys, mind it, 2000 rupees just for a lipstick is so much, but for the shade it is totally worth it. The next product which comes in my hand is O3 Professional D-Tan Mask in the variant Blueberry. This whole big tumbler is really good. It's really a thing to keep in your vanity in order to pamper your skin. If you are a college going girl, I would really suggest you to have this one as your savior, because you're gonna get a big huge fat tan over your forehead, over your cheek area, and over the neck area. So in that perspective, this is gonna help you out. So this is something which every girl must have in their vanity. Every girl, why I'm saying every girl, every boy must every boy or every girl, whoever you are, must have in your vanity in order to pamper your skin and care for your skin, because that is something which is going to show you in results after few years with the flourished skin. Also, a point to be noted, guys, a little product goes a long way. It emulsifies over the skin actually. So this is something which I would really suggest. And cost भी ठीक ही है. Cost is rupees 1550, like 1550. So this is really nice product to go for. So yeah, that was pretty much it for my Nykaa haul, and I hope that you liked my Nykaa haul, and I'll catch you there at my hair spa. Lately, I am leaning more towards skincare and hair care. Out of that concern, I visited hair at BBlushon by Jhamb. There I got my anti-hair fall and anti-dandruff spa done. Firstly, Miss Shalini applied the treatment and left it for 8 to 10 minutes. Then she washed my hair and applied hair mask generously. And I must say that she gave me the best hair massage of my life, and I thoroughly enjoyed the process. Have a look on my new hair. I totally love it. Hey, if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, show your love in the comment section. Also, you can give me suggestions over there. It would be really great if you can share my video to friends and family, so that I can complete the target of 1000 within 6 months. So yeah, that's it. Bye bye.